Okay, this is going to be episode 2 of that old railroad bridge just a little bit west of Monticello, Illinois. And as I walk down this jungle, trying to avoid poison ivy, there you go. There's that old railroad bridge, post and beam made out of wood, and this has been here a while. Just look at the overgrowth of the plants. Whew. That looks like major poison ivy right there. I get it bad. My skin reacts to poison ivy bad. But here we go. Here's the creek, and it's just covered with pond scum. I mean, who knows what's growing on top of that water? Boy, there's a large poison ivy on that tree. Anyways, here's the old post, wooden post, to support the very large wooden beams. An old railroad bridge. Who knows how long it's been here? All right, Viking One on another Viking expedition in the Midwest near Monticello, Illinois. And I gotta walk through this jungle to get back to my bicycle. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a good night.